Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to the Montauk Avenue family. This is a channel for everything holistic, natural, and eco living. Today I wanted to share a video for a biotin rich smoothie, and as you probably know, if you're been with the Montauk Avenue family for a while, you know that I love smoothies. Smoothies are so nutritious. It's such an easy way to obtain a lot of nutrition very easily and very simple, and I love creating recipes around smoothies and juices. Definitely. It's really good for hair health. Today the recipe will consist of the following. I'm going to be using some raspberries, and raspberries definitely have a lot of vitamin C, which is really beneficial for hair as well. I'm also going to use a little bit of spinach, just a little bit. You don't have to add this if you don't want to for this recipe, but I'll just probably throw just a little bit in there. But in recipes like this, you can also put in some green powder if you want, like a little bit of green powder. I'm going to use some bananas, and bananas have a lot of potassium, and I am going to use, I'll probably use, since I'm already using banana, I'm just probably going to use maybe 1 date. These are definitely nutritious, okay, for the hair. And I'm going to use some flaxseed. Flaxseed has that omega, power pack omega, and that's definitely good for the hair. I'm going to use some of my sunflower seed butter. You can use whatever type of seed or nut butter that you want. So I had some left over, so I'm just going to use about 1.2 tablespoons of the sunflower seed butter, and that definitely has a lot of vitamin B and different things that are beneficial for the hair. And I'm going to use 1 cup of water. You can definitely use in this recipe like almond milk or your favorite non-dairy milk, and I will put in the description on my website the recipe, of course. Okay, so let's put it into the blender. I'm using my blender, and I'm going to put in the water, and then I'm going to take 1 to 2 teaspoons of the sunflower seed butter. And if you want to watch my last video where I show you how to make sunflower seed butter milk, you're welcome to watch that as well. And some of it is stuck on the spoon, so we'll take a little bit of the last bit right there. Okay. And I'm going to put in a little bit, just a little dab of the spinach. A little dab. I'm going to put in my 1 date and my banana, and I'm going to put in just a bit of the flax, maybe about like 2 teaspoons, 1 or 2 teaspoons. I eyeball it over here, Montauk Avenue, we eyeball it over here. And I'm going to take about 1 cup of the raspberry, and I'm using some frozen raspberries. And now I am going to blend this up. And recipes like this, when it comes to a nice biotin smoothie, you can do different variations. You can decide to add things like yogurt if you want, non-dairy yogurt. You know, that's really something that's very popular that people do, you know, adding yogurt. I know that people add supplements, you know, biotin supplements. That's up to your discretion. You know, on my channel, I really, you know, promote and, you know, push for natural foods and as much as we can. But the reality is a lot of us, we still use supplements for different reasons, and it's okay. You know, just be mindful and always make sure that you are consulting with your, you know, doctor or your naturopathic doctor. Now we are going to take the ingredients and we are going to blend them up. And like I was saying, you know, you can consider, you know, trying different variations of ingredients that you would consider, you know, very biotin rich. And I will definitely add some more suggestions in the description below as well. So here is our lovely biotin rich smoothie, and I can't wait to enjoy this. And again, this is raspberries, bananas, and I sprinkled hemp seeds on the top as you saw in the beginning of the video, and you can garnish it with whatever you like in your smoothie on top. And we have some dates, and we also have some spinach, just a little bit of spinach, or you can use green powder, and some water. You can use coconut water if you want to, or almond milk, or your favorite non-dairy milk. And again, you can play with the ingredients, and I will leave suggestions in the description. And as always, thank you for coming to my channel, and continue to be blessed. Be true to yourself. Be well. Peace, Divinez.